I hit this issue today and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you're really looking to transfer your balance from an old Giffgaff SIM, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Check your old SIM balance. Start by inserting your old SIM into your phone and checking the balance. You can do this by dialing *100# or logging into your Giffgaff account online. Step 2. Get your new SIM activated. If you haven't already, insert your new Giffgaff SIM into your phone and activate it. You can activate it by following the instructions that came with the SIM or through the Giffgaff website. Step 3. Contact Giffgaff support. Visit the Giffgaff help page and submit a request to transfer your balance. Make sure to provide your old SIM number, new SIM number, and any other requested information. Step 4. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your request, you'll receive a confirmation email from Giffgaff. This can take a few hours to a couple of days, so be patient. Step 5. Verify the balance on your new SIM. Once you receive confirmation, insert your new SIM and check your balance again using the same method as in Step 1. Make sure the balance has been transferred successfully. If you run into any issues during the transfer, don't hesitate to reach out to Giffgaff support for assistance. Good luck with your new SIM.